Hello friends, I'm Ankita Raut and today I'm going to make a different kind of video. I was thinking of making more videos, so I was thinking of ideas what videos I should make. Since I'm not very good at the traditional ASMR videos. So I was thinking what I should make. Something which I can make properly and which people may like. you know and which is easier to make, since I am not very good at, I'm not very fast like other YouTubers make lots of videos a week. This the cryptid ones takes me few days at least to make it. So making another video of long long work hours, it's not more possible for me. So I'm thinking of making a short series where I will each week I will share one poem, old poem of from famous poets. I will share the poem, try to explain it in my own words. These are very inspirational, motivational poems. I really like listening to inspirational things. It motivates me. So if these help other people, it's good. Something I get a new video idea and it's helpful, so it's good and it's easier to make. They put in all the work, I just have to read it. Let me know whether you like this series, and if I will make few videos. If people like it, I will continue it. If people didn't like it, then I will try something else. So today's video is about a poem written by Edgar A. His poem's name is Don't Quit. First I will share some info about Edgar Guest. Edgar Albert Guest was a British-born American poet who became known as the people's poet. His poems often had an inspirational and optimistic view of everyday life. Guest was born in Birmingham, England on 20th August 1881. In 1891, his family moved from England to Detroit, Michigan, where Guest lived until he died at the age of 77. So Edgar is a very famous poet of the 18th century. He generally wrote inspirational poems. He was known as people's poet. So I will read to you his famous poem, Don't Quit. The poem goes: when things go wrong, as they sometimes will, when the road you're trudging seems all uphill, when the funds are low and the debts are high, and you want to smile but you have to sigh, when care is pressing you down a bit, rest if you must, but don't you quit. This poem talks about people having hardship, but despite all the hardship, people should not quit. Sometimes things go wrong, sometimes we just don't have enough money to do it. When the income is low but the debts are high, you should not quit. Life is queer with twists and turns, as every one of us sometimes learns, and many a fellow turns about when he might have won had he stuck it out. Don't give up though the pace seems slow, you may succeed with another blow. Life is filled with twists and turns. Sometimes good thing happen, sometimes bad thing happen. You never know what might happen. You may quit in between. You may think, oh my god, my life is going bad, I need to give up and end it. But you never know, maybe you are very close to victory. Maybe you just reach the goal and then you no, I give up. You can succeed. You have went this far, you can go beyond it as well. Just because your life is sad right now doesn't mean some twist can happen and your life can become better. Life is unpredictable. Maybe you give up before your victory. Often the goal is nearer than it seems to a faint and faltering man. Often the struggler has given up when he might have captured the victor's cup. And he learned too late when the night came down how close he was to the golden crown. Many people give up when they are near their goal. They don't realize when they are giving up. They think that it's over now. I can't win. But sometimes they give up, and after they have given up, they realize, oh shit, I could have won. I could have got the victor's cup. I would have reached my goal. And it's generally late. After they have given up, after they have left, that's when they realize I could have easily won. That's why people say don't give up. Don't give up. It's sometimes some people succeed fast, some succeed slow. Just because you are succeeding slow doesn't mean you won't win. In rabbit and turtle race, the tortoise won. Slow but steady. It didn't. It wasn't like fast like the rabbit, but it was steady. It didn't give up. He went on ahead. Maybe you are the tortoise. Maybe other people are the rabbit. They will run fast, but they will give up. While you will stay steady and reach the victor's cup and not regret later that you gave up. Success is failure turned inside out, the silver tint of the clouds of doubt. And when you never can tell how close you are, it may be near when it seems afar. So stick to the fight when you're hardest hit. It's when things seems worst, you must not quit. You never know how close you are to victory. You may think, oh my god, I am lost it, I won't be able to complete. But you are just like at 95% and only 5% work is remaining. But you think, oh my god, so much is remaining. You are very near the goal. And sometimes your life is the hardest before success. They say when pushing an arrow, arrow moves backwards and then maybe your life is also doing like this, slowly taking you back, and then you are going ahead of everyone else. This happens to lot of people. You must have read or heard about stories of people who are successful. Those people had lot of hardships before they succeeded. Success is not easy. It's not like simple like going straight line, taking right decision and then you are successful. You have to like struggle a lot to reach the top. So maybe you are struggling because it's a test, and when you win the test, you are going to get like lots of victory, lots of happiness. Only those who don't give up, don't quit, succeed. Only those people deserve success. Quitters, those who are lazy, those who don't put in effort, those who like leave in between, don't deserve success. Luck can only go so far. You can be lucky, but if you want to succeed in long run, you have to not quit. You have to realize that life is going to be hard. Everyone's life is hard. And only those who don't quit reach the goal. It's a very beautiful poem. I will share it in the description and in comments. If you like this video, please let me know. And if you have feedback related to this video, please feel free to share it with me. And see you next week. Bye.